Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Resideo Honeywell Total Connect app, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Resideo Honeywell Total Connect app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to access the main screen. On the main screen, you will see a prompt to enter your login credentials. If you already have an account, input your email address and password in the designated fields. Ensure that your email address is correct to avoid authentication issues. Next, tap the Login button to proceed. If you haven't created an account yet, look for the Sign Up option. Press the Sign Up button to start the registration process. Fill in all required information, including your email address, name, and password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements outlined in the app. After entering your details, tap Create Account to finalize your registration. Check your email for a verification link sent by Resideo. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the app and enter your email address and password to log in. If you've forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email provided. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, where you can manage your devices. Explore the app's features to familiarize yourself with its interface. Ensure that your devices are properly linked to your account for full functionality. If you encounter any issues during authentication, refer to the troubleshooting section in the app's help menu. For further assistance, consider contacting customer support through the app. Enjoy the convenience of managing your home security with the Resideo Honeywell Total Connect app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.